Okay, so the examples are also mentioned here, which I have already demonstrated and explained it on whiteboard. So yeah, so you can have a look at it. I will consider including the whiteboard explanation, record the whiteboard explanation separately, and then we'll post the slides. Okay, so as I mentioned, a module's file name should end with .py, and the interpreter will not be able to import the module. While importing another Python module, we can just simply skip the .py extension, as we have already seen. And in this example, you can see the names.py is the Python module name, but when you are importing, you do not include the .py extension. Okay. So it is a good practice that you place all import statements at the top of a file, because when you are importing, so for example, if you are using a file or using some other codes, while looking at the top, you know that what are the dependencies to run a particular code. So for example, import math is a built-in library, so it comes with the Python. But if you are using any external libraries, and if you are using somebody else's code, so while looking at the first line, you can easily identify what modules you need to install on your computer before executing that code. Okay, so it's a good practice. It quickly identify what modules are required to execute that piece of code. Okay, and which we commonly refer as dependencies. The dependencies on which our code is dependent to run. Okay.